a win. Whoa, and we still a win. We still a win. We still a win. And we still a win. Them girl keep the black thing shining.
Word on the road, you're the birthday girl. Don't be sad on your birthday girl. Sitting in the club like you didn't wanna come, so I sent a couple bottles to the birthday girl. Hey, you're the birthday girl. Do what you like, you're the birthday girl. Them girls watch face, but yeah, it's all baited. Them chicks all hate on the birthday girl. You're the birthday girl.
It's my birthday. My forehead does look so big. Well, my forehead looks so big. That's wrong. But these lips are slaying, girl. And highlighter. Oh, get it, honey. Oh, get it. Get it. Yeah, no one's here. Black people late as normal, as usual, as per usual. Well, actually, 2 people's here. Patrick was early. Paul is here. My mama's here. I'm here. So early settings. No one's here yet. Bunsen 1, 2, 2 is here. Mommy is. What's she doing? What you doing, mommy? Talk to the camera.
I'm showing up someone is water. That's a cup. This is how we do it. You go on the bottom. You want somebody going to get the pepper. Oh my god. That would have been a disaster. That would have been a disaster.
So mommy is the chef for today. Big up you. Big up mommy. Look at all the pots you cooked today. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way I love you. Ow, ow, ow. Big tune.
I smell garlic. I love the smell of cooked garlic. You know when you pass, like someone's making, I don't know, garlic bread for example, and you walk past the house, I love the smell of garlic. Obviously not on your breath, but like
the smell.
No, I don't care. I have garlic breath all the way. All the way. I love garlic breath. No. In it, his dancing was... No, seriously, everyone got off the dance floor because he was doing some head flips. No, he really was. Everyone.
Oh, look at my model friend.
Try what you're drinking.
Oh, yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, have you tried it? You'll try it?
No.
But mum, that's not how Captain's Jack tastes. It tastes like white rum. So the guy obviously pulled it and resealed it.
Is it?
Must have. I can't do this.
That's dangerous.
Oh, God.
Happy birthday.
What are you doing? That's just
Yeah, it looks as if it's like...
oh yeah, normally it's a bit darker in a green, so yeah, it's been time.
Oh, I got your present.
Saying to me,
Can we
no,
have
you
different
sip it. So I
batch?
said, no, I've had it before. And he kept going to me, no, you've never had nothing like it. I said, no, I've had it.
Oh, so maybe it's a different.
So I reckon
Hi.
he's made
Serena,
actually just put
I'm
something
a
in it.
friend.
And to be fair, in that sense,
And it's a change,
yeah, it's not like
I think it's because we...
no, but it's 15%, so you must know what 15% drink tastes like.
that's not 50.
That's not 15%.
That's 40%.
So
Right
It's
there.
above 40%. It's above 40%.
Jesus. Congressman.
Yes.
And you're drinking again.
Christmas.
Which customer?
No, Tab, seriously,
white
I feel like I've got a drinking problem because I got about 10 bottles bought for me from customers.
Really?
Yeah, I'm still trying to get through it now.
What are you trying to say? You're an alcoholic?
I don't know.
No, I don't even have them conversations with them. I think they assume I have.
I have conversations with this man and his wife. She's like 60 white-year-old woman. He's an old Jamaican woman. They have
Man.
kids to
Really?
No, he's an old Jamaican man, and they must have always been together. Which I always think it's not funny, but you know, I always look at old couples who are interracial and think like, what did you go through?
Yeah, we
Because
get to be
now
together at
it's
that
different.
age,
Yeah, you know, to have your kids in them times together, it's like, ooh,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, they've been together for ages, isn't they?
Even my mum said I got spat on when I was a baby. Some white woman came, when I was a baby, and she spat on me in front
Used
of
to
my
be
mum.
dangerous back then, man.
Box 36.
What?
I think my mum went mad, but
You
then
know,
she got too
Thingy
mad
was
because
on,
she
you
was
know,
with
Thingy
a
was on the
baby,
telly
newborn.
last week.
But the funny thing is, you're
Jamila.
quite pale though.
Is it?
So you
Have
wouldn't
you
even
seen
think you
it?
were.
I know.
No,
And
as
I
a
was even
baby.
paler as
She
a
and
baby,
her
yeah.
daughter was going to Oxford, and when she was in first class on the train, from
But let's be
King's
fair,
Crossing,
back in them days there wasn't
and
many
then
mixed
one
race
white
people, so the
woman
white
come
people
on
could probably spot
and
them
say to
easier.
her,
Yeah.
first class.
Yeah, like, you know.
Oh my God.
There's a
Jamelia.
couple on a train.
Jamelia and our daughter.
She tweeted
Oh,
about it.
really?
What happened?
Yeah.
Some woman must have just asked her, "Are you supposed to be sat here when she was sat in first class?"
Oh,
She was
about the train ticket.
yeah,
I see that. Ooh,
Jamelia.
she rude.
No way.
Yeah.
But this generation didn't do it to us, but the ancestors.
Yeah, but that's not.
Yeah,
fair.
no, just
That's
our
not doing it.
ancestors. You can went back one time for their ancestors.
No, the thing is, I think
Yeah, but
I'm sorry about what happened here. And I wish it didn't happen, but
Wait. We
Yeah.
can't all just be talking.
Yeah.
We have to give them a turn.
yeah, but the thing is,
nah, this conversation, like,
yeah, but the thing is,
yeah.
but the thing is, you still have people here, still have the same mentality.
Yo, take away I'm gonna set it before I get shot. Bomb up that, yeah, don't bother trying to.
You know me already? Where's Edric?
I've had 2 cups. So
Bye.
I'm
being forced to drink alcohol by Yeah. Just want to put that out.
Where did we eat?
You look good. Damn, girl. Auntie Tara, she looks good.
I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby. Just
Oh no.
Oh, thank you. You look nice as well. You're glowing. You're all glowing. Auntie,
Why?
Are you guys want soup first?
Niggas only got 'cause we had to. Big crack reading, things come through in the hours on the back that we plan to get down by the time all we fold and crumble and then
Mission, that was come from
the boom like me a map it. Boom, we stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a lap it. Take a picture, your face slap it, face knock it, both crap it.
Drunk on dance.
Baby, you smart. You very smart. Matter of fact,
why are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping?
See, you let me hustle. You let me do what I need to do. And
made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you.
Water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I bring, put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring, and I will retire with the crown. Yes, no I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me, but I couldn't do it all alone.